Okay, so I did already, you know, did my eyebrows. Got that out of the way. So I'm gonna be using this Bobbi Brown face base primer. Putting it, doop doop. Gonna massage this all over the face. I am gonna be going in with this foundation. It is a new foundation, so I'm gonna check this out. This is my first time actually trying this out, which I'm a little scared because you know how it is. It's a little hard to get your correct color at the drugstore. So let's see what happens. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. I'm a little scared. Oh, not that bad. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how this does. So I'm just gonna pounce this all over the face. A little bit down the neck. Oh, I kind of match myself. Damn. Okay. It's so hard to find the correct color. The correct color for like your skin and all at the drugstore, because from what I remember, they used to not let you like try it and then bring it back. They used to be like, oh, you buy it, you keeping it, like. But now they're being a lot more flexible with the fact that it is a little harder to find your match, your color match, when it comes to trying to find your shade of foundation. So I think that's pretty cool that they now allow for you to do that. So now I'm also going to be trying this new one, this new concealer, the Maybelline concealer, and this is in sand, the color sand. So let's see how this does. So I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna tap it in, and it kind of doesn't really conceal. Maybe if I got like a lighter shade, it would work. It would be a lot better. So it kind of like, it doesn't give me like that light effect of under the eye. So I felt like it didn't really give me like that highlight type of vibe. So I'm gonna be going back in with my Tarte, and I'm just gonna be giving it a little more brightness under the eye. Just a tad bit. See, like that? Much better. And now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be using this palette. So I'm gonna be going in with this color right here for my translucent, bitch. Okay. For my transition. And I just wanna, you know, get the first shade shade going into the lid. Now I am going to be going in with this color right here, and we're just going to deepen that crease area just a tad bit. And I'm only going to be focusing it like here in the outer, right here in the outer corner and into the crease. So I'm just gonna placing that there and then just bringing it in the crease area. Here we go. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that transition color, and I'm just gonna use it here, and we're gonna blend. And then for the lid part here, I'm gonna go in with this really pretty rose gold. So I'm just gonna get some of that. So I'm just gonna tap on this side and just tap. I'm also gonna follow this rose gold shimmer with the Stila rose gold. These are really pigmented, so I'm just gonna, you know, tap that, and look at how pretty that is. So I'm just gonna put some of this right here in the lid area. So I'm just now gonna just deepen just a tad bit on this area right here. So I'm just gonna go back with this one and just do that. And now for the lashes, they're not Lily lashes this time. They're actually drugstore lashes. Before I do place them on the eyes, I'm gonna coat my lashes with mascara, and I am using the Bad Gal Bang Benefit mascara. So I'm just gonna slightly, so I'm just gonna place this on the eye. You kind of want to just look down. So now to bronze the face, I'm gonna be using the Hoola, my holy grail. Before I do the highlighter, I am going to kind of straighten out and sharpen my bronzer. To sharpen that up. I'm just going to use the same colors I used on the top. Going with this one just a tad bit. I'm just also going to take this off. Get my baby hairs out of the way. And then for the highlighter, go with this one. Like Look at how pretty that is. Like, this is my favorite part, you guys. Like, okay, and then also to kind of open my eyes just a little bit more, I am going to be using, I don't know if I want to use the Fake Away Tarte liner, or if I want to use the Makeup Forever liner. But I think I'm gonna go, oh shit, I think I'm gonna go with my Makeup Forever one. And just like that. And just like that. And then for my top area too, I'm gonna go with the Marc Jacobs at the top. Just like that. So I'm gonna go in doing my bottom lashes. I'm gonna be going with the mascara Full Exposure Smashbox. Like that. Then I'm also gonna go back in with my eyebrows just a tad bit to deep darken them, because I feel like with the powder and the foundation it kind of goes over it and it kind of loses the color of the eyebrow. So I'm just gonna go over get that color back. Okay, so for the lips, I think I'm gonna go with this one. This one kind of goes with the look. And then I kind of also want to go with this map just to kind of get a little ombre effect. I'm just gonna tap it all over. Oh, also I'm gonna go over this Anastasia to hold the brows, just because my brows are fucking wild and long and they tend to move when they're not supposed to. So I'm gonna tame these guys. So also I'm just gonna spritz my face using the Urban Decay All Nighter. I'm just gonna spritz that all over the face. Shower in that bitch. I'm going to go in with the same highlighter that I used in my inner corner, and then my brow bone, just to give that little extra glow, you know. The whole night. Is that weird? I'm like that one bitch that does my makeup and then I'm like, I want to go somewhere, like, can we go for like a drink or something? And then it's like you stare at yourself and it's like, how am I gonna go to waste this makeup that I look fucking bomb in, go to waste? Like, fuck, like, no, let's go out, do something. Spritz some on nose. Some right here on the Cupid's bow. let that hit right there. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys do like it. Like, a bitch be glowing and shit. Like, what? But anyways, I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Please comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please hit that notification button just so that you can be notified every time I do upload. So, until next time, you guys. Bye.